This fruitcake is what connects all of us. You're gonna get a lot of sweetness from the dried fruits and that crunch from the nuts. Whenever I bite into it, it just feels like home. Hi, I'm Cheska and today I'm gonna show you how to make Filipino fruitcake. Filipino fruitcake is almost like a cross between a cake and a banana bread, but with raisins and nuts and all these different types of fruits. We soak the raisins in the sweet wine so they get super plump and juicy. This recipe is much milder. It's very family friendly. Whip the egg whites. You're gonna go to workout for your arms. You wanna get stiff peaks. The fruitcake isn't an Asian or traditionally Filipino dessert. This recipe is originally from my great-grandmother and she passed it down to the different children in her family. Each family makes it a little bit differently. Not everybody likes fruitcake. And I'm just like, well, if you've had my grandma's fruitcake, you would like it. I'm sorry if you didn't have good fruitcake in your life. Stop bashing fruitcake. Now we're gonna gradually add in the flours so it's gonna be smooth and not clumpy. Look at that bright yellow color. It's like the sun. My grandmother would be the one to make fruitcake every year, but now that she's 90, she's kind of passed it on to my uncle. And so he'd have an army of people with him in the kitchen making fruitcake, and my grandmother's the general. And if my grandma says that the fruitcake tastes good, that is a great compliment. This is where my grandma supervises my uncle. Fold it with love, fold it with love. I know it's super hard, but that's how it's supposed to feel. You're supposed to work your muscles. Just imagine my grandma making this for 50 years. If a grandma can do it, you can do it. Christmas is a really big thing for the Philippines, and we usually have more traditional Filipino desserts like puto bumbong or bibingka, and usually we buy them from a street vendor and it's served warm. Filipinos go all out for Christmas. Lights are everywhere, there's Christmas trees everywhere. September 1st, Christmas starts. We're gonna stick this in the oven, bake it low and slow, just so it's cooked very gently. When you move to a totally different culture, you get super homesick. I come from a very big family and we're all super close, but we've moved to different parts of the world. So this fruitcake is what connects all of us. Whenever I bite into it, it just feels like home. This fruitcake is super important to our family and it just wouldn't feel like Christmas without it. It's like I'm 10 years old again. It's so good.
Oh, yes!
I'm sure my grandma's gonna judge how I make this fruitcake, but that's okay. It's gonna taste good. And that's what matters.